Hi guys, this is Veera. Welcome to Trending Technologies. Today, let's talk about what is the app map and who is going to use the app map and how it's going to be beneficial for the developers. So app map is basically for the dynamic runtime code analysis tool. It's an open sourced tool and a plugin. It comes with a lot of IDs like IntelliJ and the Visual Studio Code. And so who can use this particular app map? So app map is basically can be used any developers. It could be Java, Python, and Rails. And there are a lot of other programming languages. So basically, the app map, assume that you are new to the organization or the project. So no one is helping you to understand the application flow. Definitely, it's going to be useful if you're using any IntelliJ IDE, just install the AppMap plugin. So that comes by default in the plugins if you're using the latest version of IntelliJ. So you don't know the flow and you wanted to understand. So there are two ways you can identify the flow for your application. One, using the any JUnit test cases. Assume that you have the test cases already in your application so that you can run your application test cases using the app map, and then you can identify your flow of your application. So this is one of the way. Another way, assume that your application is running as a local host. It could be either application server or web server, and you wanted to identify the flow of your application. So you can start recording your application so that you can watch in the next video. So this is basically the advantage for the developers to identify the flow of your application, and also you can trace your application. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe.